Hey, this is Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia. Inside the showroom today, checking out this awesome 1966 Ford Bronco. First year for the Ford Broncos, and anybody who's following these rigs knows these are one of the most collectible SUVs, if not cars included, on the collector market today. Prices are skyrocketing, and it's rare to find an original 66, and this is one you don't want to miss out on. This beautiful U1566 is also one of the early 289 V8 Broncos. Most of them were 6 cylinders. This is an early 289. Absolutely beautiful frame off restoration done on this rig. It was done about 15 years ago, but it was continued on for years as far as minor detailing and done to a very high level. It was a frame off restoration. The original 289 was rebuilt. Transmission was rebuilt. A lot of neat features on the 66s if you follow the Broncos. The 66s had a few things that were unique to them, one of which is a one-year-only hubcap. These are extremely desirable and collectible on their own. Unbelievably expensive just for the hubcaps. This is a springtime yellow original color for this 66. Looks great with the Wimbledon white hardtop. And I got to tell you, I drove this today, took some pictures of it. It cruises down the road just beautifully. Of course, it's the 3-speed on the tree. That's how they all came, 3 on the tree. Spare tire mounted inside the cab. Very cool. Body lines are awesome. Super straight body, very high quality paint. It's basically a show car. But it has been driven and enjoyed. There are about 1,400 miles on it since it was finished. It remained in Oregon. We believe it was in Oregon most, if not all, of its life until it came here to the Atlanta, Georgia area. Just a beautiful truck. I want to let you hear it start up and running. You go to my website, you'll see all the pictures of the undercarriage and engine bay. This baby is super clean. Beautiful underneath, floor pans look fantastic. Some of the other unique features on the 66s is this silver interior. Again, this was a 1 year only. The dash pad was what they call a pencil style dash pad, so it's a thinner dash pad. Gray dash is the way it was painted correctly. The floor pans on this Bronco are beautiful. You'll see everything in the pictures. The rear seat was a little bit different. The armrests are different. So lots of cool features. Now this thing's got almost all of the correct original 66 components, although the bumpers, I believe, are a newer style, the 67 and up. Those were changed out at some point. But I want to let you hear this baby start up and running. It fires right up. Idle's great. Again, 3-speed on the tree. A lot of fun to drive once you get used to it. Let you hear it running. Your window cranks and door handles are unique for a 66, as are the armrests. Just a stock sound, single exhaust. I'll let you hear it running. If you've been looking for an early Bronco and you prefer an uncut original truck, this is one you do not want to miss out on. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Check out all the pictures on our website. Thanks very much and good luck.